David here with our fitness manager at Palmdale West INSHAPE, Andrew. He's going to take you guys through the October workout.
So October's theme for the workout card is going to be a lunge and pull workout. We're going to be focusing on strength. We're going to do each exercise for 45 seconds and a rest for 30 seconds between each. Our first block is going to be our warm-up block. First, we're going to start with the inchworm. This is a great exercise for the shoulders and the back of the legs. And coming down to the mat, we're going to be doing a downward dog stretch. Elevate our leg and then bring it through into a runner's stretch. We're going to do a couple on each side. Next, we're going to be doing a side-to-side lunge, warming up the quads, warming up the glutes, get the body moving. After that, let's do a couple exercises like the high knees. We're going to be bringing our knees up to our hands, getting our heart rate elevated, and getting ready to break the sweat. Next is going to be our fast feet. This is a quick little football exercise. Good way to get the heart rate up. It's low impact if you're standing on top of a mat. Next, we're going to be doing our block 1. In this, we're going to be using a dumbbell or kettlebell. We're going to be doing a suitcase reverse lunge. First one, we're going to do the suitcase reverse lunge to the right. So we're using the right leg and we're twisting our body to the left. Next, we'll be doing suitcase reverse lunge with the left leg, and we're going to twist over the right side. And alternate both sides back and forth for 45 seconds. Block 2 of work is going to be our push-ups. So using either a mat or the floor, you have the option of doing traditional style or modified push-ups. And our chest press. So using a bench or a Swiss ball and some dumbbells. And repeat that 2 times. Block 3 is going to be our standing medicine ball torso twist. So standing, keeping the ball close to the midline, you're going to rotate and pivot through the hips, engaging your obliques. You're going to go alternating back and forth. Next, we're going to be doing the mountain climbers. So either on the floor with arms straight, bringing our knees all the way in, crunching in the abs, or modified on an elevated surface like a bench. Lastly, we're going to be doing a cool down. So get a couple stretches in, starting with our side reach. So either standing or kneeling. Going to bring one arm up towards the ceiling and bend and reach towards the opposite side. Hold for a couple seconds, come back to the middle and alternate sides. Next, we're going to be doing some arm swings. Bend at the hips, let your arms relax and fall down towards the ground. Swing them back and forth gently, letting the blood flow and loosening up and relaxing the upper body. Next, we're going to be using a mat. We're going to do a kneeling runner stretch. So kneeling down, engaging your glutes, driving your hips forward, getting a good stretch through the front of the leg. You can add a stretch through the upper body by reaching up towards the ceiling. Hold this for a couple seconds, alternate sides. Finally, let's go and relax a little bit. Outstretch your arms, push your hips back over your heels, get a good lower back stretch in the child's pose. Thank you guys for checking out our October workout card. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we look forward to seeing you in November.